Okay, now we go together. Go to see how to get fast calculation less than 3 seconds. Okay, now we try 35. Example 35 times 8 plus 17 times 8. Okay, how much? 8, number 8 divided into 2 is 8 divided 2 is 4, right? 4, right on here 4. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 we write down here 16. So that means the result is 416. And another one, I will show you. So 35 plus 17, 35 plus 17 times 8. That's the same. That's the same. 8 divided to 2 is 4. Write down 4. Here. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 write down here. 16. So the result is 460 percent. That means 35 plus 17 is 32. 35 plus 17. 8%. And another one. 35 plus 17 is 52, right? 52 times 8. Same. Times 8 is 416. 8 divided into 2 is 4. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 here. 4 here. Okay. One more thing. Let me show you one thing. $52 then 24. How much? If like that, 24 divided to 2 is 12. Write down 12. 12. 24 and 2 is 48. 48. So write down here 48. So that means 52 times 24. The result is 1248. So this is the correct result. We count very fast calculation. Okay. Example, one more thing. So you another person. 35 plus 17 times 80. How much? So it's like that. 18 divided to 2 is 9. So write down here 9. 18 times 2 is 36. So that 36 So that the result is 35 plus 17 times 18. The result is 936. Okay, this is the correct result. Okay, so I hope everybody will understand about it. When after you understand, you just look, then you can see about the result already. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more new method for calculation and more fast than this. Okay, thank you.